The time has gone when Facebook was a good idea for business to try out. It's now crucial to your inbound marketing scheme. But Facebook keeps altering how to set up Facebook business pages, both on the large scale with Facebook Timeline and on a littler scale with new features that are changing all the time. First log into Facebook, then go to create page at https://www.facebook.com/pages/create.php and choose your group. Then choose a category, product name, and agree to the terms of service and continue. Fill out all the info and hit save. Next, upload a picture if you choose, or you can skip this step. Next, you will add the page to your favorites, or you can skip this. Next, you will be able to share something on your page, invite friends, or deal with ads. Next, we will look at creating a Twitter account.